Hello, my dear students. I am teacher Ashwati, welcoming you all for today's class. Today, we are going to solve sums of practice set 3.1. Let's begin. Question 1. State whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomials. Justify. So here some expressions are given. You have to find whether it is a polynomial. In an algebraic expression, if the powers of the variables are whole numbers, then the algebraic expression is a polynomial. It should be a whole number. The powers, that is the index, should not be a negative number, neither it should be a fraction. We'll go question wise. First one, y plus 1 upon y. This can be written as y plus y raised to minus 1. So here one of the powers of y is minus 1, which is not a whole number. So y plus 1 upon y is not a polynomial. Second, 2 minus 5 root x. It can be written as 2 minus 5 root x can be written as x raised to 1 upon 2. So the power of x is 1 upon 2, which is not a whole number. So 2 minus 5 root x is not a polynomial. Third one, x square plus 7x plus 9. Here the powers of the variable x are 2, 1 and 0, which are whole numbers. So x square plus 7x plus 9 is a polynomial. Fourth one, 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5. Here one of the powers of m is minus 2, which is not a whole number. So 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5 is not a polynomial. Fifth one, 10 equals to, you can write it as 10 into 1, which is equal to 10 into x raised to 0, since x raised to 0 is equal to 1. Here the power of x is 0, which is a whole number. So 10 is a polynomial, or we can call it as a constant polynomial. Question 2. Write the coefficient of m cube in each of the given polynomial. Some polynomials are given. You have to write the coefficient of m cube. So first one is m cube, single term. So the coefficient of m cube is 1. Second one, minus 3 upon 2 plus m minus square root of 3m cube. So here this term m cube's coefficient is minus root 3. Coefficient of m cube is minus root 3. Third one, minus 2 upon 3m cube minus 5m square plus 7m minus 1. So here this term m cube's coefficient is minus 2 upon 3. So coefficient of m cube is minus 2 upon 3. We'll move on to question 3. Write the polynomial in x using the given information. So you have to write the polynomial using the variable x. First one is monomial with degree 7. Now this is an open-ended question. You can write any monomial with variable x and degree 7. Here I have written it as 3x raised to 7. So it is one term. So it is a monomial and the highest index is 7. So 3x raised to 7 is a monomial in x with degree 7. This is just an explanation given for that. Second one, you have to write a binomial with degree 35. So binomial means it has two terms. So 2x raised to 35 plus 1 is a binomial in x with degree 35. That is, highest index should be 35. Third one is you have to write a trinomial with degree 8. So 5x raised to 8 plus 6x raised to 4 plus 7x. Three terms, so it is a trinomial. The highest index is 8, so degree is 8. Question 4. Write the degree of the given polynomials. Now when the variable is a single one, that means if the polynomial has only one variable, the highest index is considered as the degree. But if it has more than one variable, you have to add up the index and the highest sum will be considered as the degree. So we'll see question wise. First one is root 5, which is written as root 5 into 1, that is root 5 into x raised to 0. So here the highest index is 0, so degree of the polynomial root 5 is 0. Next one is x raised to 0, the only and the highest index is 0, so degree of the polynomial x raised to 0 is 0. Next polynomial is x square, the highest index is 2, so degree is 2. Next, root 2 m raised to 10 minus 7. Highest index is 10, so degree is 10. Fifth one, the degree of the polynomial is 2p minus root 7. Here, the highest index of p is 1, so degree is 1. Next polynomial given is 7y minus y cube plus y raised to 5. So here 5 is the highest index, so degree is 5. Next, more than one variable. Okay, so x, y, z. X raised to 1, y raised to 1, z raised to 1. So total will be 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Here x raised to 1, y raised to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Here z raised to 1. So the highest sum is this one, 3. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. Eighth one, the polynomial given is m cube n raised to 7 minus 3m raised to 5n plus mn. So we'll add up the index 3 plus 7, 10. Here it is 5 plus 1, 6. Here it is 1 plus 1, 2. So the highest sum is 3 plus 7, that is 10. So the degree of the given polynomial is 10. Question 5. Classify the following polynomials as linear, quadratic and cubic. Question wise we'll move. The first polynomial given is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So here the highest index is 2. So degree is 2. When degree is 2, it is called a quadratic polynomial. Second one, the polynomial given is 5p. The highest index is 1. So degree is 1. So it is called a linear polynomial. Third one, the polynomial is root 2y minus 1 upon 2. The highest index is 1. Degree is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. The polynomial given is m cube plus 7m square plus 5 upon 2m minus root 7. The highest index is 3. So degree is 3. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial. Question 5. The polynomial is a square. The highest index is 2. So degree is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. Sixth one, the polynomial given is 3r cube. The highest index is 3. Degree is 3. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial. We'll move on to question 6. Write the following polynomials in the standard form. Standard form means you have to write the raised to powers of the variable either in the ascending order or in the descending order. We'll see question wise. The polynomial given is m cube plus 3 plus 5m. So here the highest index is 3. So we will write it either in the descending or in the ascending. So the standard form of the polynomial is 3 plus 5m plus m cube in the ascending order of the index, or m cube plus 5m plus 3 in the descending order of the index. Second, the given polynomial is minus 7y plus y raised to 5 plus 3y cube minus 1 upon 2 plus 2y raised to 4 minus y square. So the standard form of the polynomial. Now if you see which is the highest index here, 5. So this term will come first, y raised to 5 plus 2y raised to 4 plus 3y cube minus y square minus 7y minus 1 upon 2, or you can write it as minus 1 upon 2 minus 7y minus y square plus 3y cube plus 2y y raised to 4 plus y raised to 5. Question 7. Write the polynomials in coefficient form. We'll see question wise. X cube minus 2. So here the highest index is 3 here. After 3, index 2 and index 1 is missing. So we'll write it with 0 coefficient. X cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 2. The coefficient form of the polynomial. Whatever you have written in the index form, you have to write only its coefficient in the bracket. So 1, 0, 0, minus 2. Separate it by commas. So the coefficient form of the polynomial is 1, 0, 0, minus 2. Second one, the polynomial given is 5y. So here y raised to 1. The constant term is missing, so we'll write it as plus 0. So the coefficient form of the polynomial is 5, comma 0. Third one, 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. So we'll write it in the index form, 2m raised to 4 plus 0m cube minus 3m square plus 0m plus 7. So the coefficient form is 2, 0, minus 3, 0, 7. The coefficient of the index form. Fourth one, the coefficient form of the polynomial minus 2 upon 3. This is the constant one. So its coefficient form is minus 2 upon 3. Question 8. Write the polynomials in the index form. Coefficient form is given. You have to write it in the index form. First one, the coefficient form of the polynomial is 1, 2, 3. Now here if you see, it contains 3 coefficients. So the degree of the polynomial is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the index form of the polynomial is x square. Here we did 3 minus 1, 2. We got 2. So the highest index should be 2. So first coefficient is 1. So 1x square plus 2x plus 3. You will go it in the order. Second one, the polynomial is given in the coefficient form as 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. So here if you see, it has 5 coefficients. So the degree of the polynomial is 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So the first coefficient we'll write with the highest index, 5x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1, which can also be written as 5x raised to 4 minus 1. Third one, the coefficient form of the polynomial is minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2. It contains 4 coefficients. So the degree of the polynomial is 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So the index form of the polynomial is minus 2x cube plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Question 9. Write the appropriate polynomials in the boxes. Now if you see, these are the polynomials given. According to terms you have to classify and according to the degree. So first we'll see x plus 7. 2 terms, so it will go in binomial. Here the highest index of x is 1. So when the degree is 1, it will be a linear polynomial. So it will go here. Same way if you see x square, it has only 1 term. So it is monomial. The highest index is 2. So degree is 2. Therefore it will go in quadratic polynomial. X cube plus x square plus x plus 5. Okay. Here the highest index is 3. So degree is 3. Therefore this will go in cubic polynomial. Here 2x square plus 5x plus 10. The highest index is 2. Degree is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. Same way it has 3 terms. So it is a trinomial. X cube plus 9. 2 terms. So it will go in binomial. Highest index is 3. That is degree is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. 3x square plus 5x. 2 terms. So it will go in binomial. Highest index is 2. That is degree is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. Now we'll see how it is written. So this is how we have to fill in the boxes which is given. With this we end the session. Thank you.